Hi, welcome to Moody Blooms. I'm Mary Ellen, and today we're going to unbox a beautiful plant from Bijan Tropicals. Look how cute their packaging is. It's adorable, right? Okay, let's go ahead and get this unboxed.
Bijan Tropicals makes buying plants easy by delivering healthy, ready-to-go plants to your doorstep and by setting you up with the care information that you need to help your plants thrive. They make growing and caring for plants easy. All their greenery is grown in the U.S. in native climates to ensure happy, healthy plants. They visit suppliers and designers in person to learn the best practices and set fair prices.
Well, it's taped really well.
They focus on offering the highest quality plants that are easy to care for at affordable prices. They make ordering a stress-free and pleasurable process for their customers.
Okay, so there's a bunch of these popcorn filling on top. Okay. I don't want to damage the plant, so I want to be really careful how I open this. It's snowing! All their packaging and product is so cute. How adorable. Okay. Look, even the top has a cute little sticker. Love it. Yay! This is a Sansevieria bird's nest, gold Hawn-eye. And look, all the dirt is protected. Sansevierias are one of the easiest and most adaptable houseplants around. Bird's nest Sansevieria trifasciata Hahnii is a smaller cultivar of the well-known snake plant. I love snake plants, and I actually don't have this one, so I'm really excited. Look, the soil's really moist, and none of it came out. I love the colors on this one.
Gold Hahnii is a rare hybrid with buttery yellow leaves accented by green vertical stripes. The leaves form a tight, elegant rosette, the size of a bird's nest, and the plant only grows about 6 to 8 inches tall, never growing over a foot tall, making it perfect for desks or small spaces. This member of the agave family is a low-maintenance succulent that only needs watering once or twice a month. These plants are very prone to rotting when they're overwatered, so be sure that the soil is completely dry before watering again. Sansevieria will adapt to different light levels, however the colors are enhanced in bright, filtered conditions. It tolerates low light and partial shade, and is a popular office plant because it's one of the top plants that grow in fluorescent lights. Sansevierias act as an indoor air purifier, removing toxins from the indoor environment. They grow best in well-draining soil. As far as fertilizers go, make sure that you only use about half strength diluted if needed. The plant is sensitive to over-fertilizing, so use sparingly. The bird's nest succulents naturally propagate from underground rhizomes, which eventually form into clumps. Propagation can be done by dividing the root ball, from offsets, or from leaf cuttings. This plant is used outside as a ground cover and for edging. It is drought resistant, so it is suitable for xeriscaping. It is grown indoors as a houseplant. Creamy tan flowers bloom in midsummer. Bird's nest will not die after it flowers, but it will stop producing new leaves. The flowers apparently have a sweet aroma, although I've never personally smelled them. Some of these plants, depending on the growing conditions, rarely flower. Even very healthy plants may be stubborn and not produce flowers. This succulent has a cacti-like appearance with interesting variegation. The vase-like rosettes have spirally arranged broad elliptical leaves. Golden Hawn-eye is great for adding a pop of color in a dark room. Thanks so much for joining us on Moody Blooms. We hope you enjoyed this plant unboxing from Bijan Tropicals. Check out their website at bijantropicals.com and enter code MoodyBlooms for 10% off any plant on their website. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed our content, and leave any comments in the comment section below. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time on Moody Blooms.